guys, I know you're wondering where Emily is.
But today I'm behind the camera and I'm letting my friend Lake unbox.
So today I am going to be unboxing this Gudetama show bag. So let's get into it. There's this bag with heaps of Gudetamas on it. And I'm pretty sure that there's some things in it. So there's this Gudetama water bottle. This Gudetama notepad that says "Who cares?" and then on the back it says "K bye." There's this Gudetama pencil case. There's these Gudetama gel pens, and there's Gudetama trying to get in his shell. And also there's this Gudetama sticker box with heaps of Gudetamas on the back. I think there's some in here, so let's look. There is. So there's these temporary tattoos, these nail stickers, these post-it notes, and also these cute rubbers. So that's it for today. See you soon.